So, we're getting a little bit of issues, getting some backfire, still throwing a code, even though we replaced the map sensor. Focus. There we go. Here's the throttle position sensor. We got one of those. Map sensor's new. Ended up getting a new, whatever that thing's called. Don't remember. But yeah, got a gasket kit. So we're just going to redo everything. Fingers crossed. It'll stop doing weird things. Let's go. Oh, that's not good. Is that stripped out? Oh, shit. It's gonna be too short. Woo! So, couldn't find a 10mm wrench. I got this little funky guy. It's gonna get done. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, there we go. Any day now. I think it's time to get a new one of these. This thing, focus, pretty much rounded that bad boy off. Hoping let's loosen up that. That's not quite loose enough. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, making progress. Voila. Yeah. That should be enough out of the way. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Come on. There we go. So, I'm gonna move that bad boy off from here. Oh no. Yeah, there we go. A little dirty. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit more again. I'm gonna take out these, I believe it's 3 bolts. I'll take that out to get this puppy off from here. Try to figure out what's going on. See what the problem is. I'm gonna say probably 13 minutes. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking to do. Crack all these loose. Oh yeah. Yeah. Easy. So this is where gotta make sure where all this stuff goes. So you're gonna remember with me. Gotta take this bad boy off, spring return. Gotta take the throttle cable off. Gotta take the injector plugs off. Gotta take these plugs off back here, throttle position sensor and whatnot. And then we gotta take these fuel lines off back here. And we also have to take out these because you can't take this off without taking these off all the way. So yeah. Yeah. We're going in. Alright, vacuum. Kick down cable. Whoops. Anyway, kick down cable. Don't want to lose that. So we're going to pop that bad boy right back on there. Put that off. I don't really remember how that one comes off. It's been off before, but I don't remember. There we go. Just have to slide it up. So kick down cable's off, throttle cable's off, return spring. These need to be replaced. That's off. Come back over here. That's off. And big boy, got that off. So that's all the sensors. Off. I feel like that's barely on there. Back in line. Back in line. Come on. Get off! Get. Get off there. Oh, there. sensor. We're going to unplug the map sensor too, just so it's out of the way. And pull this whole harness over here. Unplug still looks good on there. So all that mumbo jumbo out of the way. And now I start working on the fuel lines. I think. Yeah, pretty sure. Before undoing the fuel lines, I said unplug the fuel relay, fuel pump relay or whatever, get the fuel out of it. I just take off the gas cap. Take off the gas cap, just release some pressure off that system in there. Alright, so that has been done. Now, let's see what size wrenches those are. It's probably, that one's a 3/4. Okay, the other one's 5/8. Here we go. Hopefully that's a 5/8. Or they look like me yet. Yeah. Ooh, somebody's on there. Oh, little buddy. Come on. We're just on there. What? Oh. Alright. Let's get a rag, just in case. We don't want no fires. There wouldn't be any fire because this thing hasn't been started up in about 18 hours, so definitely ain't worried about that. But still don't want to make a mess, right? Even though it is a little messy underneath here. Stay there, Beth. Then, yeah. Oh, voila. I was trying to get this. What the hell? Oh, that's a kick down cable. So yeah, should be good like that. Now, I'm going to start undoing the throttle body here. Got everything disattached from the C-steel. So, this sucker should just come right out of here with no problems. Yeah, look at there. We did it. Say cheers. Cheers. Trying to stay organized. It's kind of hard. Ooh, bad. There. Oh, there's still fuel in there. That scared me. I don't know why it scared me, but it did. Gasket's still in good shape, which it should have been, because we literally just did this about, I don't know, say about a month ago. Alright, so now, start taking this thing apart all the way. Need to put a rag inside of there. We don't want no debris falling into the engine. Might as well go ahead and take this off. Spacer. Stuff our holes. As that gasket comes off. That one's still good too. So, got the TBI off from here. Looks pretty clean in there. Not bad. There's our TBI. We got a gasket rebuild kit. Got a new sensor putting on here. Clean all this up. Make it look all nice and pretty. Maybe shave down some more points on there. There's our spacer. And there's the hole. Here we go. Start tearing this bad boy apart. Oh, should have done this while it was still on there. Yeah, I should have definitely still done that while it was still on there. Because I can't get the leverage I need. I'm weak. I wonder if anyone's ever done an impact on there. That's what we're about to do. I got no batteries. Yeah, I do. I would say this is probably not recommended. So, in hindsight, you need to try to take these off whenever it's still bolted in. We didn't, and we're going to impact it. Probably shouldn't, but that's what we're doing. And it worked out quite well. Not bad at all. I really hope this thing came with new. You can kind of see on there. Focus. A little gummed up there. That'll be alright. Hopefully be alright. We'll set those there. Now, this whole top assembly needs to come off from here. But we're going to grab the Allens first to remove. We're going to take it off in two different pieces here. So right now we're going to take off these Allens, and then we'll worry about stripping the rest of that down later. Not later, but you know what I mean. I need these toothbrush. Alright. Should be 4? I'll say 4.5. Oh, shoot. Should have stuck with my gun on that one, huh? It's a 4. That. Got that. You guys see that hawk in the background? Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it?
He's hunting his prey in the wild fields of North Carolina. Come on. Come on. Just awaken. It's a very tedious process. Not really tedious. If I had the right tools, I'd probably zip it right off, but it'd take me too long to find them, to be honest. I know how to work on stuff. I'm not very organized at all. We'll get that one day. That's not weird. He must be close. There we go. Got that sucker off in there for now. Our spacer. These 3 bolts. I'm going to stick that. This cardboard's a lot thicker than what I thought. Get in there! There's 1, 2, 3. So we're putting these little spots on the cardboard so we don't lose them. Probably need to do the same. There's a lot of them on there. I got a magnetic dish. What am I doing? Thought I had one. Well, I do not. What the hell? My bad. Ain't got it. Ain't got it. So, this sensor needs to come off. We got a new one of those. That plug's going to come off. We're going to replace that one. I don't need to stay on there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, rim pal. Rim pal. Rim pal. Rim. It doesn't open up completely vertical, does it? I guess it does. Might be able to shave down those fins. I've seen people do it, but I don't know, it's a little scary. Just a little bit. So this will do. It's not that tight. I think this thing's been replaced recently. Doesn't look like it's in that bad of shape. Why is this thing getting harder? I tell you what, it is not fun with this wrench. There. That might have been it. Yeah. I'm going to save that little gasket on there. There we go. I think that's supposed to be like a barometric pressure sensor. Something like that. Well, I guess that needs to go in the trash, huh? I'll go in the trash. throttle resistance sensor needs to come off from here. Allen wrench needs to go back before I lose it. Put that back. Now, need my wrench. And say, try this bad boy. Oh, yeah. So I'm talking about. Oh, it's a little one. Oh my god. Whew. Yeah. So, get this off in here. Easy. No problems there, babe. I got hella washers on there. I think that's more than what needs to be on there. But what do I know? Nothing. I don't know a thing about anything. Oh, I'm gonna stick these two guys in. You know what? I'm gonna put this little boot on here. Little vacuum boot. Little vacuum boot. Get it to get on there. There. Just in case. Throttle resistance sensor has now been deactivated. Doesn't look like it's in that bad of shape, but so that right there. See that flap? That flap reads inside of here. See that throttle? This tells its position on here. I think it's bad, so we're gonna replace it. So that can go in the garbage. And what do I do with that really big sensor? Oh, it's buried. And this thing can go in the trash. We got 2 new ones to replace it.
Trash is full. Oh my goodness. Trash.
So now, we're going to soak this thing down with some carb cleaner and scrub it with my old toothbrush. Actually, that's my wife's old toothbrush. Not that I hate pink. We're sponsored by Cold. So now, we're sitting on the ground like a toddler. Yeah. There. So we're just scrubbing this bad boy. Trying to get the majority of this junk off in here. It's a shame that everything else looks pretty nice under the hood. This thing should too. Right? Yeah. Whatever that is. That's gum down there. Gum to bread. Trying to get in our eyes over here. I can't get that off. Get off from there. Yeah, there we go. We ran out of the carb cleaner, but it's pretty clean. I feel like it's definitely a lot cleaner than what it was, but just some finishing touches I want to do. I'm just going to clean it with WD-40. It's worked before. We'll get the job done. Got that other toothbrush too. I'm probably going to have to use it. Who cares? Yeah. Yeah. Just getting the rest of that residue off from here. Oh. The hawk's back.
I don't know how to. Come on. Where's he at? You might be able to see him. God, he's way out there. Nope. Alright.
Nope. Not gonna see him. Yeah. Get that in there. Get that in there. Just want this thing to look nice, you know? It doesn't need to. It works just fine. But it doesn't look good enough for me. Yeah. This sucker all nice and cleaned off here. You lying.
clean. I just want it clean. Alright, so we have our new throttle position sensor and new barometric pressure sensor. Throttle position sensor on there. I stuck that freaking thing on there. Throttle position sensor. Goes there. See? Right on. Right on, brother. That needs to be first attempt. Let's go. So that will be throttle off. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how tight that needs to be. That's not pretty tight. I'm sure there's a torque spec. Oh, we don't do that right here. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got her maxed out right there. No throttle. Full throttle. She works. Let's go. Yeah. It's a pizza. Just joking. It's the rebuild kit for the throttle body, so I'm sure it's new seals for the injectors and whatever. Yay. Let's see what's in paper. I can't read. There we go. I feel like I'm taking the gloves off for this. Gloves are coming off. Come on. There we go. Still want to reuse these since they're not messed up. Yeah. All right. Let's see what we have here. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm nervous. Holy shoot. Shut poopy. That's a lot of stuff. Alright. New gasket for the top. Don't really see how that works, but I already have both of these, so I'm not worried about those. You know what? This, well, so that's a gasket. It's not really needed though. I don't really think that seals off anything. So I think we're going to keep the spacer for that. And then we got, this stuff is, it's got to be for the injectors. 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 Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. I believe it's a new diaphragm. Oh, I might be in over my head on this one. That should be for the fuel lines. Should be. And this. Where does this go? I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Yeah, that's sure enough. That's what that was. All right. So those two little bad boys. I feel like that needs to be an O-ring though. Oh. Hey. Where's my tool? Oh, doodles. There we go. Don't cut myself. That thing has been on there for a long time. Oh. Nice and new. Nice and new. It's locked on there. Look how deteriorated that one is. Totally glad it came with new ones. Otherwise, this would not be getting replaced. Trust me. That gun. That thing was freaking gone. It was terrible. There's a new one. I should clean that off. Short time. Nobody cares. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Let's put that down. Move that on. Then we gotta start taking a bath.